crazy happen yet, but you never know.
That's right. So are you the one that has the candy to pass out?
Uh-oh. I left all my Jolly Ranchers at home. Yep. Thankfully, Estes Park has a taffy shop that's been in existence for most of us. Probably $50, $60 in tips a day. Found out the quiz was up to 15 miles per hour. Found that 10 tends to be the sweet spot. Smoothest ride gets you up to the top of the bottom in just under 5 minutes. Can't even get pizza that fast these days.